Dear students, in this session, I am going to discuss the problems regarding areas. The circle x square plus y square equal to 8 is divided in two parts by the parabola 2y equal to x square. Find the area of both the parts. So, given circle is x square plus y square equal to 8. X square plus y square is equal to 8. This is equation number 1. And given parabola 2y is equal to x square, equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Here substitute x square value in equation number 1. So 2y plus y square equal to 8. So y square plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. So y square plus 4y minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. So y into y plus 4 minus 2 into y plus 4 equal to 0. So y is y minus 2 into y plus 4 equal to 0. So y is equals to 2 or y is equals to minus 4. Y equal to minus 4. So if y equal to 2 from equation number 1, so if y is equals to 2, so x square plus 4 equal to 8, so x square equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus 2, If y is equals to 4, y is equals to minus 4, from equation number 2, so here x square is equals to minus 8. So x square equal to minus 8. So here it is not possible. So point of intersection of 1 and 2, point of intersection of 1 and 2 are, point of intersection of 1 and 2 are 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 2. X square plus y square equal to 8 circle and x square equal to 2y parabola. Point of intersection of 1 and 2 are 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 2. So first draw the circle x square plus y square equal to 8. X square plus y square equal to 8. This is the y axis and this is the x axis. So this is the origin 0, 0. Next draw the parabola x square equal to 2y. X square equal to 2y parabola. X square equal to 2y. This is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 8. So here this point of intersection of minus 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 2. So this line, this is x equal to 2 and this line x equal to minus 2. So let A1 be the area interior to the parabola. A1 be the area interior to the parabola. Let A2 be the area exterior to the parabola. A2 be the area exterior to the parabola. Let A1 be the area interior to the parabola. So A1 is equals to integral the area under the circle on x-axis between minus 2 and 2. So that is equals to integral minus 2 to 2. Circle equation is x square plus y square equal to 8. This implies y is equals to square root of 8 minus x square. So square root of 8 minus x square dx minus the area under the curve x square equal to 2y on x-axis between minus 2 and 2. So that is equals to minus integral minus 2 to 2 here x square by 2 dx. So required area is equals to first area under the circle on x-axis between x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 2 minus the area under the curve x square is equals to 2y on x-axis between x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2. So here this is the required area. We know that integral square root of a square minus x square equal to x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. Now here this is equals to integral minus 2 to 2 square root of here 2 root 2 whole square minus x square dx minus 1 by 2 into integral minus 2 to 2 here x square dx. So this is equals to x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square 8 minus x square plus a square by 2 plus 8 by 2 into sine inverse x by a, sine inverse x by 2 root 2, x by 2 root 2, limits minus 2 to 2 minus 1 by 2 into integral x square dx equal to x cube by 3, limits minus 2 to 2. First substitute upper limit in place of x. So here that is equals to 2 by 2 into square root of 8 minus 4 plus here 8 by 2 4 into here sine inverse 2 by root 2 minus substitute lower limit minus 2 by 2 into square root of 8 minus 4 plus 8 by 2 into sine inverse 8 by 2 into sine inverse minus 2 by 2 root 2. Next minus 1 by 2 into here substitute upper limit that is equals to 2 cube that is equals to 8 by 3 minus of minus 8 by 3. Now here this is equals to square root of here this 2 and 2 get cancelled, square root of 4 that is equals to 2 plus 4 into this 2 get cancelled, 4 into sine inverse 1 by root 2 here that is equals to sine inverse sine pi by 4, sine inverse sine pi by 4. So here this 2 and 2 get cancelled, minus of minus 2. Next minus of minus 2 here this is equals to plus 4 plus 8 by 2 that is equals to 4 into sine inverse of minus 1 by root 2, sine inverse of minus 1 by root 2. Next minus 1 by 2 into 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3 that is 16 by 3. Next this is equals to 2 plus 4 into sine inverse sine pi by 4 that is equals to pi by 4 minus of minus plus 2 minus here that is a minus 4 into sine inverse of minus 1 by root 2 that is equals to minus sine inverse 1 by root 2 that is sine pi by 4 minus 8 by 3 Now here this 4 and 4 get cancelled. Here 2 plus 2 4 plus 5. This minus into minus will become plus 4 into pi by 4 minus 8 by 3. Here 4 get cancelled. That is equals to pi plus pi 2 pi plus 4 minus 8 by 3. That is equals to 2 pi plus 12 minus 8 by 3. That is equals to 4 by 3. So therefore the interior area A1 is equals to 2 pi plus 4 by 3. Let A2 be the area. Let A2 be the area exterior to the parabola. Now A2 is equals to equal to area of the circle area of the circle minus a1 area of so this is the area of the circle minus a1, so we get a2, that is area exterior to the parabola. Now area of the circle is equals to area of the circle x square plus y square is equals to 8 equal to pi r square, so that is equals to pi into r square is equals to 8 pi minus a1, but a1 equal to 2 pi plus 4 by 3, 2 pi plus 4 by 3. Now this is equals to 8 pi minus 2 pi minus 2 pi minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. So that is equals to 6 pi minus 4 by 3. So a2 is equals to 6 pi minus 4 by 3. So the area exterior to the parabola is 6 pi minus 4 by 3. Area interior to the parabola a1 is equals to 2 pi plus 4 by 3. Next problem. Show that the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is pi ab. Also deduce the area of the circle x square plus y square is equals to a square. So given ellipse is here x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So this implies y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So that is equals to a square minus x square by a square. So y square equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square, a square minus x square. Y equal to b by a into root over a square minus x square, a square minus x square. First draw the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So this is a comma 0 and this is a 0 comma b and this is a minus a comma 0 and this is a 0 comma minus b. So this is the required area. Required area is equals to 4 into integral 0 to a, 4 into integral 0 to a b by a into square root of a square minus x square dx. So since the curve is symmetric about both the axes, so required area is equals to area 4 times the area of the ellipse in first coordinate. Find the area of the ellipse in first coordinate and multiply by 4, we get the total area of the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. So here required area is equals to required area is equals to 4 into integral 0 to a y dx. So that is equals to b by a into root over a square minus x square dx. Required area is equals to required area is equals to 4 into integral 0 to a y dx equal to b by a into root over a square minus x square dx. So required area is equals to 4 times the area bounded by the ellipse in first coordinate. Now here this is equals to 4 into, that is equals to 4 into b by a into integral square root of a square minus x square equal to x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a, limits 0 to a. Now here that is equals to 4 into b by a, substitute upper limit in place of x, that is a by 2 into square root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse a by a, sin inverse a by a, minus substitute lower limit in place of x. So here 0 by 2 into something, 0 into something is 0, plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of 0, that is equals to 0. Now this is equals to here 4 into b by a, 4 into b by a into a square minus a square is 0. So here that is equals to a square by 2 into sin inverse 1, sin inverse 1. So that is equals to 4 into b by a into a square by 2 into sin inverse 1, sin inverse sin pi by 2, that is equals to pi by 2. So here this a and this square get cancelled. Here that is equals to pi ab by 4 into 4. Here that is 2 into 2, 4. Here 4 get cancelled. That is equals to pi ab square units. Therefore, the area of the region, therefore the area of the region, the area of the region bounded by, the area of the region bounded by x square by a square plus y square by b square, y square by b square equal to 1 is a pi ab, is a pi ab. If a equal to b, if a equal to b, a equal to b, the area of the region, the area of the region, the area of the region bounded by x square by a square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Substitute b equal to a. So here is a pi a into here a, that is equals to pi a square. So therefore the area of the region, therefore the area of the region bounded by, area of the region bounded by the circle, bounded by the circle, by the circle x square plus y square is equals to a square, x square plus y square equal to a square is a pi a square, pi a square, square units. Next problem, find the area of the region enclosed by the curve y equal to sin pi x and y equal to x square minus x and x equal to 2. So given curves, given curves are y is equals to y equal to x square minus x, y equal to x square minus x and y equal to sin pi x and x equal to 2, x equal to 2. So y is equals to x square minus x. This can be written as x minus 1 by 2 whole square, x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. So that is x square plus 1 by 4. So here minus x, here plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 get cancelled. So we get y equal to x square minus x. Now y equal to x square minus x can be written as y equal to x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. Now here x minus 1 by 2 whole square equal to y plus 1 by 4, y plus 1 by 4. So vertex of this parabola is 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 4. So draw the graph y equal to x square minus x. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis, and here vertex of this parabola is 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 4, and this parabola intersect the x-axis at 0 comma 1. So here this is a 0 comma 0, this is a, here this is a 1 comma 0. So this parabola is here, this parabola is y equal to x square minus x, y equal to x square minus x, and draw the graph y equal to sin pi x, y equal to sin pi x graph is here this is 1 comma 0, here this is 2 comma, here this is 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0. So y equal to sin pi x curve. This is the x equal to 2 line, x equal to 2 line. Now I have to find the area enclosed between the curves y equal to x square minus x and y equal to sin pi x and x equal to 2. So this is y equal to x square minus x. Now required area is equals to required area is equals to integral 1 to 2 area under the curve y equal to x square minus x dx. So next y equal to sin pi x curve in the interval 1 to 2 is below the x axis. That why here that is minus integral 1 to 2 sin pi x dx. Now here integral x square dx equal to x cube by 3 limits 1 to 2 minus x square by 2 limits 1 to 2 minus of integral, we know that integral sin pi x dx equal to minus cos pi x by pi limits 1 to 2. Now here that is equals to substitute upper limit in place of x, that is equals to 8 by 3 minus substitute lower limit in place of x minus 1 by 3. So here substitute 2 in place of x, that is equals to 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by pi into here that is equals to cos 2 pi here minus cos 2 pi minus cos pi. Now here that is equals to 7 by 3, that is equals to 7 by 3 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by pi into cos 2 pi equal to 1 minus of cos pi is minus 1. Now here that is equals to 2 minus, that is equals to 7 by 3 here that is equals to 2 minus 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equals to minus 3 by 2 plus here 2 by pi. Now this is equals to here 14 minus 9 by 6 plus 2 by pi. So that is equals to 5 by 6 plus 2 by pi. 5 by 6 plus 2 by pi square units. Therefore, the area bounded by the area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to x square minus x and y equal to sin pi x and x equal to 2 is 5 by 6 plus 2 by pi square units. Point of intersection of 1 and 2, point of intersection of 1 and 2 are 0, 0 and 4, 4. Draw the parabola y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y. This is the y axis and this is the x axis. So this is the origin 0, 0 and this is y axis. So draw the parabola y square equal to 4x. So this parabola is y square equal to 4x. Draw the parabola x square equal to 4y. This parabola is x square equal to 4y. So this is x square equal to 4y and this is y square equal to 4x. So point of intersection is 4, 4 and 0, 0. Now here this line is y is equals to y equal to 4, this line y equal to 4 and this line is x equal to 4. So this is a1, this is a2, this is a3. So this area is let a1 be the area, let a1 be the area bounded by let a1 be the area bounded by y square equal to 4x and the line y is equals to 4 and y axis. So a1 is equals to integral a1 equal to integral 0 to 4, a1 equal to integral 0 to 4. So this area, so this is a a1. So a1 equal to integral 0 to 4, integral 0 to 4. Here this curve is a y square equal to 4x with y axis x dy. So this implies x equal to y square by 4. So here that is y square by 4, y square by 4 dy. Now this is equal to 1 by 4 into y cube by 3, limits 0 to 4. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into, here substitute upper limit in place of y, that is equal to 4 cube by 3, substitute lower limit. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into, here 64 by 3. So here that is a 4 into 16. So that is equal to 16 by 3 square units. So therefore a1 is equal to, a1 equal to 64 by 3. a1 equal to 64 by 3. Let A2 be the area between the parabolas y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y. Let A2 be the area between the parabolas y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y. So A2 is equal to integral 0 to 4 integral. So A2 is this area between the two parabolas. So integral 0 to 4 area under the curve y square equal to 4x on x axis between x equal to 0 and x equal to 4 minus area under the curve x square equal to 4y on x axis between x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. Now A2 equal to integral 0 to 4, here 2 into root x dx, 2 into root x dx minus integral 0 to 4 x square by 4 dx. Now here 2 into, we know that integral root x dx equal to x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, limits 0 to 4 minus 1 by 4 into x cube by 3, limits 0 to 4. Now here that is equal to 4 by 3 into, substitute upper limit in place of x, that is 4 power 3 by 2 minus substitute lower limit in place of x minus here 1 by 12 into, here 4 cube minus 0. Now this is equal to 4 by 3 into, here that is a 4 into root 4 minus 1 by 12 into, here that is equal to 64, 4 cube equal to 64. So 4 into 3, 4 into 16. Now here that is equal to 16 into 2, 32 by 3 minus 16 by 3, that is equal to 16 by 3. So therefore A2 is equal to 16 by 3 square units. Let A3 be the area, bounded by the curve x square equal to 4y on x axis between the line x equal to 4. So let A3 be the area bounded by x square equal to 4y, and the line x equal to 4 on x axis. So here A3 be the area bounded by x square equal to 4y and the line x equal to 4 and x axis. So A3 is equal to integral 0 to 4 area under the curve x square equal to 4y. So y equal to x square by 4 dx. Now that is 1 by 4 into, here x cube by 3, limits 0 to 4. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into, here 4 cube by 3 minus 0. That is equal to 1 by 4 into, here 64 by 3. So therefore that is a 16 by 3. So therefore A3 is equal to 16 by 3. Finally A1 is equal to, A2 is equal to, A3 is equal to 16 by 3 square units. A1 equal to A2 equal to A3 equal to 16 by 3 square units.